Hi, my name is Harish Subramanian. I'm the Program Director for the Postgraduate Program in Big Data Analytics. In this video, I'm going to go over the curriculum in a little bit of detail, and I'm also going to tell you some of the highlights of our program. Our year-long program is broken up into three modules. There's the foundations of data science, there are big data technologies, and there's machine learning on big data. 12-month program is essentially broken up into 12 weekend-long residencies. So you will have classroom sessions for about 2 days every month. It happens over the span of just one weekend. All of that happens at our learning center in a physical location. And between these residencies, we expect that all of the work that you do with your peers, assessments, evaluations, projects, all of that happens online. The platform on which you will be doing all of these assessments is a fully pre-configured lab on the cloud. It's available to you 24/7. You will be able to play around with a host of data sets. You will be able to play around with some of the data sets that we cover in class. You'll learn how to use these techniques first in class, but then you will obviously have the opportunity to then build on that knowledge and learn some of the practical applications through a series of assessments and assignments as you work on it at your own pace. The main structure around which a lot of the assessments is built are a series of projects. You will have a capstone project that caps off the whole program, usually delivered at the end of the program, but we expect that you'll work on it for a number of months before. This is a group project and ties together all of the elements that you learn over the course of the program. In addition to that, you also have 5 mini projects spread out over the course of the program. These mini projects serve two purposes. One, obviously, is they cement your learning. It's a very practical, hands-on way of evaluating how much you've learned and how things work in real life. But it also serves an additional and very important purpose, which is it helps you build your body of work. Something that you can go to your future employers, to your bosses in your current role, and show to them rather than tell them, what you have done and what you have learned and how much you're capable of doing. And finally, last but not the least, we have a series of industry expert seminars. These are not sessions that will fit seamlessly into the three modules that we talked about, but really focus on latest developments in the big data analytics space, practical applications, considerations of what really happens in the marketplace, and to some extent, we will also talk about careers and jobs and how how they're evolving and how your program is going to help you get there. Now that we've gone over the overview, let me just spend a couple of minutes going over the three modules, which is the core of the whole program, in just a little bit more detail. Module 1 is the foundations of data science. Here you'll learn a combination of analytics tools such as R and Python, and then learn how these are applied to a host of statistical learning techniques. Now, statistical learning is a series of techniques that allow you to apply statistics to analyze, structure, learn from, and visualize a host of data. Right. So you will learn descriptive and inferential statistics techniques, and you will also learn how to predict something about new information that's coming in based on information that you already have. You'll be building models, and these models will then help you, build more and more structured and complex systems in your role in the workplace. And in addition to all of this, you will learn the fundamentals, the foundations of how do you structure a problem, any problem, whether it be business or any other analytical problem, and how do you visualize this. Module 2 is focuses on big data technologies. We will be focusing on Hadoop first of all, which kicked off this whole big data field, if you will. We'll talk about how the whole element of distributed computing helps large and complex and varied data sets, and the analysis of these data sets. We'll talk about NoSQL databases and help you learn hands-on on how do you work with NoSQL databases. Um, we'll then spend a significant amount of time on Spark, which is the almost the evolving standard, if you will, and it's the successor to Hadoop. And you will learn how to how to acquire, how to process, and how to get insight from data on Spark. And finally, we'll focus on a very particular but very, very important use case of all of these technologies, which is how do you handle real-time data and how do you integrate that with existing data stores. Through this process, we'll cover some of the tools. We'll cover are the Hadoop platform, and tools that are associated with it, like Scoop and Hive and Pig. And we'll spend a fair bit of time on the Spark ecosystem, because that's what we'll build the next module on. The third module is machine learning on big data. Here we'll largely focus on understanding all of the techniques, and how to work with disparate and complex data sources and learn from them. So we'll start off with supervised learning and ensemble techniques. We'll move on to unsupervised learning techniques. We will cover featureization, model selection, and tuning, a very important area, because you might build specific models, but the important element is the models by themselves don't serve any purpose other than satisfying your curiosity. Really, what matters is what is the appropriate model, what is the appropriate accuracy of your prediction, and that's what the business user cares about. We'll cover other, what is probably the most important technique on everybody's mind, and something that's practiced in the industry, which is recommendation systems. And we'll subsequently cover graphical models and networks, a very, very useful area, and again, the basis for Google's search engine and the PageRank algorithm that part of it. And finally, we'll talk about how do you then visualize and tell compelling stories to the business user about what you've learned from all of this big data. Fairly comprehensive course. We've tried to make sure that all of this, all of the information that we convey to you is done in a very, very hands-on way. You'll have plenty of opportunities to work on it through our cloud lab, but also through a series of mini projects that we'll set up for you. There's plenty of support by way of not just the faculty, but also your peer group who you will interact with on the online learning system. And at the end of which you'll work on a real world practical capstone project that you'll be able to go and talk about for the coming years. We hope you will enjoy the program. I personally think it's a fantastic program, and highly relevant, highly topical, and yeah, and look forward to interacting with a lot of you. Thanks.